Okay, first I select the y z yz plane, and I go to sketch. Here I select profile option. I draw one profile like this. Next select constraint to give some dimension to our profile. This one is 13 mm and this is 18 mm, and this height, this is also 18. Next, turn off constraint and select corner, track your cursor like this, and you get now you get these 2 points, and give the value for this fillet is 0.5 mm. Click yes. That's all. Next, exit from the workbench, and here use soft command to revolve this the first angle 360, and here the axis selection is z axis, and click OK. Next, we need to create that thread inside. So first I'm going to make one point here. This is 12.5, and click OK. Next, go to generative shape design. Here select helix, and this is our starting point, and our helix axis is z axis, pitch same 6 mm, and the height 18 mm, and click OK. And again select helix. Here select this point, and axis is z axis and 6 mm, but here this is reverse direction, and click OK. Next, select YZ plane and go to sketch. Here draw this profile. Before that, get this point by using this 3-point project 3D element. After that, turn this to construction mode. Now draw this profile. This height is 2.15 mm. Here right click on your mouse, and here select mirror horizontal measure direction. This one is 3 mm, and this one is 0.75 mm, and change this line to construction mode. After that, select these lines and select mirror option. Use this center line to mirror. After that, exit from your workbench. Next, go to part design. Here select this slot. This is our profile, and the center curve. This is our center curve. Here pulling direction, and the axis z axis, and click OK. Sorry, I forgot something, so I click Ctrl Z. Here go to generative shape design, and double click this helix to edit this. Here the height, change this height up to 22 mm and click OK, and select join option and join this helix and this helix and click OK. Now this two is joined together. Here you see. Now go to part design and select slot. The profile is, this is our profile and this is our center curve. Here change this to pulling direction, or pulling axis is Z axis, and click OK. That's all. Now we created our thread inside. Okay, let's create some knurling here. So I select point. Here the value 18 mm and click OK. Next go to generative shape design, shape, after that generative shape design, and here select helix, starting point, the second point, and the axis same Z axis. Here the pitch value is 110 mm and the height 18 mm, and click OK. That's all. Next mirror this helix, click this helix and the mirroring element our YZ plane and click OK. Next again select YZ plane and go to sketch. Here select this point and change this point to construction mode. After that draw one circle here. The circle diameter is 1 mm and exit from your workbench. After that go to part design. Here select slot, the profile, this small circle is our profile and center curve R, and click OK. Here the center curve, this is our center curve. Here the pulling direction, right click on this box and select Z axis and click OK. And next here in slot unhide this circle to create another slot. So again select slot and profile this small circle and the center curve, this is our center curve. Here pulling direction, the pulling axis is Z axis and click OK. Okay, next we are going to pattern this. We are going to use circular pattern to make multiple of this slot. So I select circular pattern. Here the object, come here and select slot to the reference element. Here Z axis is our reference element. Here the parameter, change this to complete ground. The instance total number of slot will be 25 and click OK. Next again select circular pattern. Here click on this current solid, select slot 3 and here change this to complete ground. Hit the reference element Z axis and click OK. Okay. Next I am going to save this part. Before that, we need to change the appearance of this part. So I go to properties, the color. Here I select this orange color and apply. Okay. Okay, next save this, the file name nut, and click OK. That's all. Okay, next create this last part design. This is pin, the part name pin, and click OK.